week. So at what stage, what is that you need to do? What initiative, why? All of that we continuously monitor, track, and keep telling you, bringing new things which your business requires regarding everything. It could be incorporating a lead management system, adopting a CRM, doing a product launch, whatever your business requires.
Business ecosystems have reshaped the economy, providing superior value to its members and bringing a diverse set of capabilities and innovation to the solution very quickly. In short, business ecosystem is the network of organizations. We have Shweta Padma Mohanty, extremely passionate entrepreneur, equally passionate about business ecosystem. Shweta Padma is the founder and CEO of Business Leadership League. She's a skilled business networker, very helpful and passionate about growing businesses. Shweta, आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you, Rashi.
Take us through brand Shweta Padma Mohanty and brand Business Leadership League. Over to you.
Actually, I believe today we are in a time where the personal brand converges with the brand that you have. But in our case, Shweta Padma and BLL, when it comes to us, what we believe and what we do are very similar. So I am an engineer, did my MBA, 10 years of consulting experience where I worked with large companies to help them grow to the next level. And my personal experience is what I brought into shaping up and creating this platform. And BLL is just doing it, in which I strongly believe. We are a 360-degree digital platform, and we help small, medium businesses, startups to really realize their potential and create value. That is what I personally believing in, helping, empowering people to realize their potential, and that is what is Business Leadership League doing when it comes to the businesses.
Now that's a lot of good work. Shweta ji, what inspired you to begin with BLL? And what is the exact vision of you as the CEO and taking BLL to a great future ahead?
Thank you for asking this wonderful question, Rashi. When I was working for 10 years and with all the solid corporate experience and I wanted to do something of my own, that urge was always there. So after 10 years in 2018, when I started my own business with a travel portal, I very soon realized that, the kind of need gap, the kind of hand-holding and support that small business owners, entrepreneurs really needed, the kind of gap that was existing, in spite of the wonderful work that is already happening by government, by forums like you, by various associations, networking platforms. But, I identified this need gap, and I was very sure that this is a big opportunity. And by filling in this need gap, by giving businesses the support and the vision they require, we can really help unlock the potential that this country has. MSMEs, just sharing a number with you, 6.5 crore registered MSMEs. And a lot of these businesses, if they become new age, if they are able to modernize themselves, the whole economic story of this country can change. That's the vision we have for BLL. We want to have a cultural shift in the entrepreneurship climate in this country.
Thought clarity is a must for running a good network. That is what Shweta Padma is all about. Shweta ji, what are the different services BLL is offering to all SMEs and MSMEs? Over to you.
At Business Leadership League, we work around 4 key problems that entrepreneurs face. Challenge number 1, how do we help entrepreneurs to face challenges, to stay motivated and bounce back after the business hits a rock bottom or the worst challenges they could face? Number 2, we help our business owners get connected to each other, be part of an ecosystem that is growing and generate possibilities in terms of doing businesses, collaborations, tie-ups, and really helping each other to grow. Number 3, we want and we strongly believe that entrepreneurs have to stay ahead in the knowledge curve. in the 21st century, and that's very important. So through our regular business pay charcha and employee workshops, we make sure that our member companies are ahead in the knowledge curve and they get the regular dose of business learning at BLL. And the fourth challenge that we solve is small businesses need a lot of good partners to help them grow. So, getting the right service partners, the business services can get connected to our members. And so that they get the best quality service without wasting time and money, and which has helped them to unlock their potential. That is what we do. So all kinds of business services are also available. We are a platform, we make the necessary connects happen.
This is the perfect need of the hour, especially with COVID around. A lot of businesses have suffered, and I think people like entrepreneurs like Shweta are like lifesavers for such businesses. Shweta ji, what is the success mantra? I mean, there are so many people helping the SMEs, but why BLL has a name today? Please share that.
Like I said, a lot of good work is already happening, but we know that the MSME, the small business scenario is very, very unorganized and scattered in this country. So two key drivers or mantras which guide what we do. Number one, we have to start thinking as businesses that what you and I cannot do alone, we can do it together. This kind of collaboration mindset is the need of the hour. Nobody is your competition. Everybody, there is a market for everybody. So can we really look at collaborations? Number two, that we believe, the second most important part is, we all have to go beyond our comfort zone, beyond the known and the usual, to discover and unleash the true value that we have. So small businesses have really to get uncomfortable, adopt new systems, technologies, look at new teams, completely restructure themselves, go beyond their usual zone of operation to really go to the next level and create great value, immense value for everybody.
Shweta, we realize that SMEs and MSMEs who are your, who are a part of your community, BLL community, really expand well. Now, what plans or what suggestions you could offer to these, small businesses for the expansion mode? Over to you.
See, Rashi, with your experience and because you are also dealing with companies and all of us who understand what are the challenges and pros and cons of running a business, we all realize that the biggest challenge is bandwidth. Any small business has bandwidth constraint when it comes to the team and when it comes to resources, the kind of investment. So how do we look at very innovative ways of maximizing returns with minimum investments that we have? How can we really leverage the potential of a lot of expertise that is already available? How can we learn from the mistakes of others? How can we access networks that a business already has? How can we bundle our services? I think very innovative ways of expansion is what businesses need to look. Innovation is not about just bringing in a new product or service. That is my message to all MSME owners. Start thinking about how can you do things differently? What is your unique proposition? What's your niche? And be full on when it comes to that.
So, Shweta, in a very short time, BLL has some very valuable assets to your network, the mentors.
So, like we said, small businesses need the right kind of expertise, right advice, neutral advice at the right time. That is what most of the businesses don't get. So we are filling in the gap by really connecting our members to mentors, experts who are connected to us on this platform. My co-founder, Kripanam Chidambaram, is a marketing and technology expert. He works with our members closely, working on their strategies about how to really go and do a market outreach for more customers. We have Dr. Nitin Parab, who is a coach and consultant, very strong around his MSME experience. We have Samir Arora, who heads at ATMS LLP. And in fact, if you go to our website and you see our services, we have tried to find out the best kind of expertise and mentors who could really handhold our members in their journey and who are subject matter experts.
That's absolutely wonderful. And there are some great names in the community which Shweta is heading. Shweta ji, what is one special message for SMEs and MSMEs, especially because MSME Day was around the corner? And what is it that you want to tell them? How to, the theme for MSME Day was roadblock and, recovery. So let's hear about that.
Yes. So I just want to talk to all my fellow entrepreneurs that please dream big. Move from a problem mindset to a solution mindset. Every business has the potential to really be an enterprise business. The only limiting factor is the mindset of an entrepreneur. Focus in 2021 in technology, creating systems and processes, and looking at everything that can make your business sustainable as well as scalable.
That's absolutely wonderful, Shweta. We got a query once we floated your poster. Somebody wants to set up a business. So how can BLL handhold them?
So BLL is relevant for any business at every stage. But yes, suppose it's a business you approach BLL and you are just starting up. So we will help you to get all your mandatory registrations, all compliances in place. Start looking at your accounting and audit services. Get your marketing strategy and sales strategy in place. Activate multiple sales channels because marketing and sales are very important. They are the engine. Marketing is the engine of your organization and sales is on the driving seat. So then open up your contacts, peer connecting you to existing members, non-members who could potentially become your customers, who could become your referral partners and long-term partnerships, which immediately gives impetus to your business. And once, you have all of this, then the next level, then we go about what next, what systems and processes is ideal for you, looking at your priority and your budget. The right kind of technology, the right kind of hiring, building up your team, setting up an organization culture, working on organizational, processes, flows. Then, very important aspect that we also help you is getting you the right advisors who will look at your company, work on your pitch deck or on your project report and take you to a bank, to professional investors, depending on your business model. What kind of funds, what stage, and all the preparation is also important. Because, if you have all the answers and if you are ready, the funding will also come to you. So we help you in the preparation, we take you to the right channels, and then we help you close it also. And, post that, as a business, we're always evolving. So at what stage, what is that you need to do? What initiative, why? All of that we continuously monitor, track, and keep telling you, bringing new things which your business requires regarding everything. It could be incorporating a lead management system, adopting a CRM, doing a product launch, whatever your business requires. You could be a services company, a trading, a products company, or opening opportunities outside India, making all the connections that you need. So we do that, and it's a continuous process. Depending on how you are evolving, we keep coming to you with the necessary services.
Being a part of a healthy business ecosystem definitely adds to your growth. BLL Ecosystems is like a strong and a fruitful association. So get in touch with our networker, Shweta Padmi Mohanty. I think she will give her best to make you the best.
Thank you for doing such a wonderful contribution to the ecosystem.